Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Apple Notes step by step. So whether you are on iPhone, iPad or Mac, this is one of the best free tools for keeping your thoughts, your ideas and lists organized in one place. So first of all, you can open your Notes application. Over here on the top right hand corner of the screen, you are going to see the option of the plus icon. So you can click on that and start typing. You can add text, you can add checklists, photos, and even draw your own theme with the help of the finger, as you can see here in this particular screenshot. Then you can tap on the option of folders as well on the top right hand corner of the screen and create the separate folders like for work, for to do and personal. You can also drag the notes into the folder to keep everything neat and easy to find. You can also highlight the text to add the bold, italic or underline, and then you can tap the AA icon in order to create the headlines or the bullet lists. You can also attach the files here. You can links and scan documents directly inside the notes. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.